Welcome to Library Kits Unboxed, where we unbox kits available at the North Dakota State Library. My name is Tammy Kruger. I'm a literacy specialist, and today we're going to unbox the LEGO Braille Kit. Okay. So the LEGO Braille Kit is funded by the LEGO Foundation, and it's Legos that have Braille on them for both sighted and visually impaired children to play, discover, and learn. All right, so I made little messages on this board. So we have the word imagine, read, and library joy. All right, I'm going to make a little plug in the middle of this. February 1st through the 7th is Library Joy Week. So that's a time for you to go ahead and give your libraries a little extra love. Go and check out what they're doing. Some of them are probably going to be doing some special things for that week. So remember, February 1st through the 7th, Library Joy Week. Okay, let's get back to the kit. So this kit includes our folder with information, of course. And then you have 3 bases for your Legos. And we have an assortment of different colors of Legos. They do have on the bag which letters are in each set for each color. And then you also have your key for the Braille. More information can be found on our LibGuide under NDSL kits, and these can be checked out through Polaris. Thank you for joining us for Library Kits Unboxed. Until next time, happy learning, reading, and creating.